Hey guys, Best Run here again today. So today we'll be reviewing the RC28T 128 scale RC truck. So it's from Team Associated. It's ready to run, comes with batteries and everything. Charger included, electric powered. It says Champions Design TeamAssociated.com. Go to there. And then it says what they want you to follow them by. It says we are a and then so they got this really cool body, I think. So I think that's pretty cool. So then they're talking about the realistic wheels and rubber tires. I like that they have rubber because foam does not get a ton of grip sometimes. So fully pre-printed and decaled replica body. It looks really good. And then you got your integrated charging jack, simple as plug in, charge and go. So that's really good. And that's 2.4 gigahertz remote, so you can play with friends. So that's really cool. So yeah, that's that. So let's open this and see what's inside. Take a knife here, open the top. Okay, open that. Okay, so let's get into this. Open the top. I hope I'm opening it the right way, but you know, if I'm not, then it's not that big of a deal. So yeah, we're gonna get this out here. So yeah, here's the truck. It's pretty small. Second, it's not focused. There we go. Now it's focusing. So yeah, there's that. I'm just gonna put the box over there. Oh wait, there's something else in the box. There's a little instruction manual there with some stickers. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I heard they come with stickers. So that's pretty exciting that they come with something else, not just the RC. So yeah. Here's RC. They better not have those stupid zip tie things. I think they do. So you can kind of see the background here. It's kind of like a stadium with tons of people in it. Okay, guys. So I got some scissors here. So let's see if we can get the remote out first. I don't have the best scissors, so let's see if we can get this. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Snap that off. There's the little remote. That's really cute. Because when I was looking for a small RC, I got that 1/118th scale, the Trax Pre-Runner. I wanted to bring it places with me, but it's a bit big. So yeah, this is like perfect. So there's a remote. Feels pretty decent quality, like, you know, it's just a remote. So yeah, it's pretty good. You got your steering trim adjustment, your power on and off, and it tells you if you're charging and everything like that. So yeah, we'll go over that in a second. Actually, by the way, it does have a charging cord that comes out of the side of it. It's right in there. Basically just pull this out, you put that in the side there, make sure it's flush in there, and then you can plug this in the side of the RC. So we'll get into that in a second. Well, let's take the actual RC out. So it does come with batteries, so that's good. I like when stuff is like just ready to run, like you don't have to go and get batteries from around your house. So yeah, that's awesome that that's there. Let's get these in a bit open so you can see it a bit more. So let's get into the truck here. Just let me put that over there. There's the box. I really like the packaging that it comes in because like it's pretty awesome. Like it shows it being a stadium and it's kind of like a jump truck, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, that's that. I really like the detailed body. Got your rubber tires. They're definitely good. They're not cheap foam. Let's take these tiny body clips off. Put them right there. There's 3 body clips, 1 in the back, 2 in the front. So it's pretty cool. And they probably stay on too. They're not going to fall off like some of the bigger ones. So yeah, take the body off there. So yeah, there's not much to it. There's a bit of protection if you hit something there. It's decent quality. You got a bit of suspension in the back. That's good. And then you got your, it tells it if it's on or charging, something like that. And then you got your antenna there. It's a little antenna that kind of goes down. It doesn't get in your way of anything. So yeah, and then you basically plug the end, like the cord and the remote into there, right there, and then that'll charge it. So yeah, comes a little motor in the back there. I think you can get replacements for this. So yeah, I can definitely get replacements if I need to. So yeah, decent suspension, and it does bend a bit in the front too, I heard. So yeah, it's good quality. I like the body. It's just white on the inside. Some stickers that are put on it, not like the HPI that doesn't have stickers put on it and has foam wheels. So yeah, definitely stay away from the HPI. If I were you, I'd stay away from it. So yeah, I definitely like these. These are pretty cool. So I'll definitely get back to you guys in another video, and I'll show you how it runs and everything. I'm pretty sure I've heard good things about these, so that should be pretty cool. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Like the video if you haven't yet, and subscribe.